Hey guys, it's your girl Rare African. I'm back with another video. So today I got you guys with another hair video. I'm just very in love with this hair, okay? Now this hair, let me tell you about this details about this hair, okay? So this hair is actually the same hair company as my ginger hair video. So this hair is from Moon Magic Hair Company. So this hair that I have on, I have all my notes on my phone. So this hair that I have on my head is actually from the same hair company that I had for that ginger hair video, if you guys are familiar. If not, check out my last two videos ago on how my first frontal install video. So this hair is from Moon Magic. It's a hair company on AliExpress, and I'll show you all the details on the side as well. But this is a transparent lace wig, full lace human hair wigs, glueless 360 lace frontal wig, curly lace frontal human hair wigs for black women. You know how AliExpress be having the long titles. I was just reading that, okay? But it's a transparent full lace 360 lace wig, okay? It's in deep wave, I believe. Yeah, this is deep wave. It looks a little bit different, and honestly it didn't come red. I actually dyed it. So I dyed it like a burgundy color without bleaching it. So yeah, I will insert a video on how I dyed that in this clip, in this whole video. I'll probably insert it somewhere in here. I'll insert how I dyed this hair and everything without using bleach. And I only used hair dye and then developer. And I was just inspired by this one YouTuber. I forgot her name, but I'm gonna insert her right here just to give her credit, because I did not figure this out myself. I literally watched her video and that's how I got these results. I thought it was gonna be brighter when I dyed it. As you can see, like a clip that I showed you here from Instagram when I was like waiting for the dye to like soak into the hair. I thought it was gonna be as bright as that, but it wasn't. It came out to be this color, burgundy, which is not bad at all. I actually really like this. At first I was just like, it wasn't as bright as what I was looking for, but this is not bad at all because it's still subtle, still cute, still like I could take it to work and not be like, oh my gosh, what she got on her head, you know, type thing. It's still like professional and still sexy and still cute at the same time. So for the hair details, yeah, so I got it in the, oh no, this is not a 360 frontal wig, I forgot, I'm sorry y'all. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and I got it in 18 inches, and it was, how much was it for me? Oh, they sold out the 18 inches. I want to say it was like 130 something, and then they gave me a discount just because I've already previously reviewed their hair before and worked with them before, so I was just like, okay, cool. So I got a discount off that, but it was, I want to say without my discount it was probably 130 something. I got it for 100 bucks, but yeah, it's honestly a nice cheap hair, already pre-made, so you don't have to make the wig. And since I'm finally getting back into the whole frontals and like trying to sorry, my necklace is not centered, I don't like that. Trying to what's it called, I'm getting back into the wig stuff because I'm always wearing my curly afro wig. As you guys have seen, I'm always wearing that shit all the time. So I was just like, you know what, this is I told myself, and I even promised myself and others that like this year I'm going to be trying different looks and different hairstyles and step out my comfort zone, because I'm really attached to that curly wig. But I'm really loving this hair, guys. Like, I am loving it. I approve it. Rare African approves it. This is definitely going to be in my books. So I love this hair. I love how full it is. At first I didn't think it was full, but this is actually pretty good. It's not, oops, it's not like OC full, but it's still full enough that doesn't make my head look, you know. But I really like it. I didn't do any of the baby hairs and all that stuff, because that one, yeah, I don't know how to do the little swoop and the little, no, even the plucking thing, I was just over it. I barely pluck. I added some plucking to it, but it came pre-plucked, but it didn't look like it was plucked all the way. But I was just like, whatever, bro. But this still looks fine to me, looks good to me. I'm fine with it, whatever. Yeah, the shipping. Okay, let's get to the shipping. So for this hair, it didn't take long at all when it came to the shipping. I think it took about a week. I want to say a week. Let me see, let me double check. Okay, so I ordered it. The shipment was ready for dispatch on June 10th, and then I got it June 17th. So yeah, basically a week. I got it in a week. It was good. They used FedEx. There was no extra charge with the shipping, I believe. Yeah, shipping fee was free. So FedEx, it got here quick, and FedEx and UPS be getting here real quick, honestly. DHL too, I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, the shipping wasn't too bad. It was free and all that. Right now they're having a sale, so I definitely say you guys should go and look at this hair. You could get this is a sale. This is a sale. Just go look at it. So yeah, I really like this hair, guys. Like, it's very full. This is basically what it looks like. This side is a little bit too stretched out because I was pulling at the bottom. I thought it was uneven. I didn't cut it or anything, so I just need to, like, I think because I kept tugging on this side, but I just need to, like, pull this down. It's literally 18 inches. Yeah, I didn't do this layering part or whatever this thing is going on. I didn't do that. That was the frontal. They did that. I didn't do much. I didn't even cut this hair at all. But this side of my head is like kind of stretched, but it's basically the same length all around. I mean, if it's really bothering me, I could trim it, but just a little bit. But I'm afraid that, like, once it's okay, it's gonna, yeah, I just gotta, like, stretch it a bit. See, it's gonna, like, come in, because I don't know what I did. But this is the hair. Then I really like this wig. I highly recommend it, especially if you're a beginner. This is really good for a beginner. But as you can see, some parts of the hair is like look kind of crunchy because of the mousse. Like I said, it dried up, but now it's getting poofy. But let's go ahead and add this mousse and yeah, see how this looks. Show you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back in a better shirt. I actually really like this shirt, but the dye's not gonna do too much just because it's white. But I'm going to be using my Vigoro mousse. It has no alcohol and it's super hold enriched with argan oil. So I think that's why it's also making my hair look very, you know. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll also show it to you again in that little clip video. So this is what I use. My cousin uses this usually on my braids every time I get it done, and like on my hair, and it works. It made my passion twist, my black one, really nice and soft. So just like, okay. And this is cheap. You can get it from Walmart for like I think $2 or $3, and I like it. So I was watching a video by Slade by Jordan, and he's just like, never be scared to put on mousse, like especially going for that wet look hair. Just drench it with mousse. So that's what I'm going to do here. One thing I realized, I'm gonna have to do this in sections because sometimes underneath it just be so poofy. I'm gonna just try to make this as flat and smooth and wet look as I can, just for y'all. Since I plucked, there is some shedding, but it's not OC. It's just, you know, hair sheds. Okay, hair sheds. So I don't really care about the shedding, to be honest. Hair sheds, but and like my dye, I think the mousse on the dye makes my hair look a little red. Ooh, I don't want to use water just because the way I don't like how water be so wet and cold on me, and especially with the dye just a little bit running. I think I just didn't wash it out all the way completely. That's why it's probably running like that, but I just don't want it to be so wet on me. So I'm just using mousse, and people say like mousse is better, especially if you don't want to be cold and stuff and take forever to dry, and it's over here dripping. I feel like using a spray bottle. I actually like the mousse better. Okay, so this is basically what the hair looked like with that wet look. This is cute. I'm sorry to one of my subscribers who asked me to do it with the orange hair. I couldn't do it because it was running when I did it. Like, I filmed it and everything and it was running. So I deleted the video because it made my, not filmed it, what's it called? I have a video of my Snapchat, a Snapchat clip of me trying it out. I can insert it here if you want to see. But it was just, I didn't wash the hair, so like I need to neutralize it with neutralizing shampoo so it's not the dye wasn't running. So I need to try that again. In another video I'll try to wear that wig for you, just for you, boo. Okay, so I think I'm good with adding mousse into my hair now. I think this is as flat as I can get. Like if I did it good with sections, then I would have been fine. I think the top would have been flatter if I actually really put this on a mannequin head, separate the hair, and go section by section. It can get nice and flat in that like sexy wet look. But I think this is pretty good, not gonna lie. But this is basically what it looks like. My hair, my wig was not even on straight, but generally it's straight. It's pretty much the same. I mean, I could just trim a little bit, but I'm okay. I'm fine because I usually put this side in the back anyways because I like the way it looks in the back. But yeah, let me add a little bit more on the top. I plucked the part a little bit more. I kind of did like a little swoop to that side. No, I don't know what I was doing there. I thought I was doing something, but I guess I don't know. Yeah, this is hot. This is hot. I need to get this part more wet. But this is pretty much it. I have my fan on, so it might dry quick, but I really like the curls. Like some parts I didn't get it all the way. The back is obviously brighter because that's where I started. If you see in my video, that's where I started to dye the hair first, so it was left in the hair a little bit more. And also I think maybe because I just didn't pour enough mousse. But this is it wet or moussed up. Yeah, my fan is drying my hair too fast. Let me go turn it off. What do you guys think? Do I look like I just got out of the pool? Do I look hot? Like okay. I wish I could really slay like my edges, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna just standify. Yeah, this is it when it's wet. It looks so good. I love this color on me. Whoa, 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 ow, ow. Now I'm fucking with this. I'm fucking with it. Y'all fucking with it because I'm fucking with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this hair. I really like it a lot. I really do. Like, I'm in love. Like, I feel so, you know, what the oh, this is my bobby pin. I'm just like, what was that? I always use bobby pins for my hair, even if I have adjustable strap band on it. I always want to add like bobby pins to extra secure it, so you know my hair, the wind don't take it away. Okay, but that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any more questions. Yeah, and go ahead and leave your comments down below as well. But that's pretty much it for this video. I think I covered everything. I forgot how to do hair videos, so just let me know if you have any comments or questions in the comment box below. I always answer and reply to my comments, so yeah, I'll definitely respond to you. Yeah, definitely go ahead and follow my Instagram if y'all trying to see them little selfies, them little clips that I just took. You know what to do. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you guys can stay alert whenever I upload videos. Okay, I was literally about to lose track on what I was gonna say, but yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, turn it on, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you like anything about this video. This makeup too, I mean, I'm feeling it. Are you feeling it? I'm feeling it. Okay, anyways, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a nice comment down below. Questions, comments, whatever, leave that down below just to help with my engagement on my videos and everything like that. So support your girl. All right, so yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be the haul. So I'll see you guys there. Bye.